Today, we have an exciting deep dive into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest addition to DJI's compact drone lineup. With significant upgrades in camera technology, enhanced flight time, and advanced safety features, this new release is set to redefine the mini drone experience. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or an aerial photography enthusiast, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises top-tier performance in a highly portable package. Could this be the best mini drone of 2025? Let's explore all its features, innovations, and capabilities in detail. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact powerhouse for aerial photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro carries forward the legacy of its predecessors while introducing remarkable improvements. It strikes a perfect balance between professional-grade features and ease of use, making it a versatile choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With its lightweight and foldable design, upgraded imaging system, and intelligent flight capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro is poised to be a game-changer in the drone market. Design and portability. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its compact and lightweight design. Weighing under 249 grams, it remains exempt from many drone regulations, allowing users to fly with fewer restrictions. Its foldable arms and streamlined construction enhance portability, making it easy to carry in a backpack or small bag. The aerodynamically improved design contributes to better flight efficiency, reducing drag and optimizing battery consumption. With a sleek, professional look, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to appeal to both casual users and professionals looking for a high-performance mini drone. Camera and imaging capabilities. Equipped with an advanced 1-inch CMOS sensor, the DJI Mini 5 Pro boasts impressive imaging capabilities. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, delivering ultra-high-definition footage with exceptional clarity. The 20-megapixel still camera ensures sharp, vibrant photos with a wide dynamic range, making it ideal for both daytime and low-light conditions. HDR support enhances color accuracy, while a 3-axis gimbal stabilizes footage, resulting in smooth, cinematic shots. For creative content makers, the Mini 5 Pro includes features like hyperlapse, panorama, and time-lapse, offering endless possibilities for capturing stunning aerial visuals. Whether you're shooting landscapes, cityscapes, or action scenes, this drone provides the tools necessary to produce professional-grade content. Flight performance and stability. Despite its small size, the DJI Mini 5 Pro excels in flight performance. It has an extended flight time of up to 37 minutes, allowing for longer shooting sessions without frequent battery swaps. For those needing even more airtime, an optional extended battery increases the duration to an impressive 47 minutes. With a top speed of 36 miles per hour in sport mode, the Mini 5 Pro delivers dynamic and fast-paced flying capabilities. Its enhanced GPS ensures accurate positioning and stability, making it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor flights. Beginners will appreciate the easy-to-use interface, while experienced pilots can push the drone's limits for more advanced maneuvers. Obstacle avoidance and safety features. For the first time in the Mini series, DJI has introduced an advanced obstacle avoidance system in the Mini 5 Pro. With forward, backward, and downward sensors, the drone can intelligently detect and avoid obstacles in real time, significantly reducing the risk of collisions. Additionally, safety features like return to home, RTH, and geofencing enhance security during flights. These features ensure that the drone returns safely to its takeoff point in case of signal loss or low battery, giving users added peace of mind. Intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro is packed with intelligent flight features designed to enhance the user experience. Some of the most notable modes include Focus Track enables seamless subject tracking, ensuring the camera remains locked on moving objects for cinematic shots. Quick Shots provides automated camera movements for professional-looking footage with minimal effort. Master Shots creates dynamic and engaging video sequences by automatically adjusting camera angles and movements. Waypoint Flight allows pre-planned flight paths for precise and repeatable shots, ideal for mapping and surveying. Battery life and charging efficiency. With a high-capacity intelligent flight battery, the Mini 5 Pro offers an impressive 37-minute flight duration on a single charge. Users looking for extended use can opt for the larger battery, which boosts flight time to 47 minutes. DJI's fast-charging technology minimizes downtime, allowing for quick battery replenishment so you can get back in the air faster. This is especially beneficial for professional drone pilots and content creators who need efficient, uninterrupted shooting sessions. Controller and connectivity. The Mini 5 Pro is compatible with DJI's RC and N2 and RC Pro controllers, ensuring a smooth and intuitive flying experience. With OcuSync 4.0 technology, the drone maintains a stable connection with a range of up to 12 kilometers, providing high-quality live feeds with minimal latency. Advanced autofocus system. A key enhancement in the Mini 5 Pro is its dual-pixel autofocus system, which ensures rapid and precise focus on subjects. Whether tracking moving vehicles, people, or wildlife, the autofocus delivers sharp, clear footage in all conditions. This feature makes the Mini 5 Pro an excellent choice for those capturing dynamic action scenes or detailed close-ups from the air. Price and value proposition. DJI has positioned the Mini 5 Pro at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for drone enthusiasts of all levels. With its advanced camera system, intelligent flight modes, and safety features, the Mini 5 Pro offers exceptional value for its cost. Whether you're a professional photographer, a travel vlogger, or someone new to drones, this model provides the perfect balance of affordability and high-end performance. Final thoughts. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is a groundbreaking mini drone that raises the bar in the sub-250G category. Its combination of professional-grade camera capabilities, extended battery life, and intelligent flight modes makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, documenting your travels, or experimenting with aerial cinematography, this drone delivers an unmatched experience. Thank you for tuning in to Technology in the Future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates, reviews, and exciting innovations. Stay ahead of the game, and I'll see you in the next video.